Hey guys, hope you're well. Welcome to the New Forest on this slightly cold spring morning, but there are going to be pockets of sun hopefully coming through. My name's Miles, welcome to the channel and hopefully this video series. If you're interested in Qigong, then you come to the right place, because I'm going to be talking and showcasing a few videos that are so useful at the start of your journey to either sensing Qi and relieving tension within the body and the mind. But also there's the key principle to help your Qigong or Tai Chi, which is dealing with the paradox of how to move the arms without moving the arms. And so a lot of the times, or just modern life in general, dishes out to us on a daily basis often a lot of stress, tension and stiffness. And I can see that in class with a lot of students when they start, even in a generic shape, very stiff in movement. And a lot of the time it can be because it's just a new exercise, it's a new drill, it's a new movement for the nervous system to compute. But often as well, in conjunction with that, it's there's a lot of inherent tension in the body that we need to leave and get out the system. That's going to be so beneficial for multiple areas: pain relief and clarity of mind, and just releasing all that unwanted tension. The body's great on the nervous system, very freeing and emptying. So I'm not sure how many exercises I'll do. There's definitely probably about 4 or 5 which would really suit me going through how to move the arms without moving the arms. There's going to be a couple of beginner principles I'll discuss at the start too. The key points on abdominal breathing and the placement of the tongue on the roof of the palate. I'll show you a German nervous system or motor control cheat or trick that we used to do in the 80s as kids. Not sure if anyone still knows about it. I think it's called the Konstam effect, but I'll do a video on that to start as well, which is great for getting you to experience the emptiness of flight and movement of the arm. So at a high level, when we move the arms and the body, that's so empty, so devoid of tension, that it's so effortless with that least amount of muscular contraction. And this sort of Qi allows you to feel what, at a higher level, that the movement is felt like. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Follow, or if you want to come along for the journey and experience some of these exercises with me coaching you through them. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you.